Today's video we're going to be looking at a really interesting new free plugin called CapySynth by Capybara Software. Now this plugin is a modern synthesizer that can be used for something like house music, lo-fi, ambient, synthwave, and something like electronic music. It's a really capable synth. Initially the plugin was a paid plugin, then it was free for a limited time, but then the developers decided to make it free forever. So that's why one of the reasons why I'm making this video, because this plugin has been out for a minute. So the interface is really cool. It also has decent specs, but we're going to be talking about that in a bit. But the interface I think is really cool, and also the website is really cool. It has this pixelated kind of look, and also you get capybara facts if you're interested. I really like when plugin developers are intentional about what they do. It shows that the plugin is not low effort, it's something that is well planned. CapySynth is a dual oscillator wavetable/subtractive synthesizer. You get dual oscillators here, so you can either use the first oscillator or you can use the second oscillator. Each oscillator includes multiple wave choices, fine-tuning, detuning, and octave adjustments. You get 12 different wave shapes as you can see here. So you get the sine, the saw, the square, the triangle, pulse, ramp, organ. This can help you achieve any type of sound that you're looking for. You also get a couple of controls here as you can see, and these settings can change depending on the oscillator that you're using. If you want to know what the control is, you just hover on it and you're going to see it there. You get the sub, mix, or get the oscillator detune, oscillator coarse, spread, you get reverb, and you have more controls here as you can see. You just click on more and you get more controls here. You also get wavetable morphing, which means that instead of the oscillator to remain in one shape, it can smoothly move to different shapes, giving you a more lively type of sound. You get the oscillator mode here as you can see, and you get 3 modes. You're going to see it here as I move this knob. So you get the mix, you get the ring, and you get the FM. So this is just the way that the two oscillators interact with each other. So the first one, which is the mix, is just the basic one, which means that 2 of the oscillators play at once, together at once. Ring modulation is used to create bell-like and metallic type of sounds. And the FM mode, which is the frequency modulation, allows one oscillator to modulate the other. Here in the controls, you get the filter section as you can see here. So you have the filter attack, the filter decay, the filter sustain, the filter release. You also get the LFO section as you can see. So you have different LFO controls. You also get Unison up to 16 voices as you can see. You get a couple other controls like Bitcrusher, arpeggiator, and so on and so forth. You also get the capybara mode, which according to what I read, the developer decided to keep it mysterious and not position it as a synthesizer tool. So you can click on that and something cool might happen. I don't really know. You also get a couple of presets here. I'm going to play some of the presets now. you got value from this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And are you going to be downloading this plugin? Make sure to let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.